We have a table named table items and we will print it in Rdlc. But instead of using tablix format, we will print it as one row per page. First, we will create a project in Visual Studio. Then we will add the following in the project: form, report viewer control, and then Rdlc. So here is the form. Next thing we'll do, we'll just add the report viewer. In my version, the report viewer is not adding on the designer, so we will just fix it. So let's just go to definition. So we are on the designer code, and we just need to add this line of code. And save it, and let's go back to the designer. So it's now added, and we can now change its doc. Then next, we will add the rdlc, or the printout. Now we will set up the report, or the rdlc. We will add the data set, then set up the connection. Next is set up the report size and margin. So just take note, size of body should be set properly. So the report size and the margin, so that it will not generate extra pages. Then we will add the report items such as text box. So we will just set the expression. Then we will go to the form and set up the report viewer control upon form load event. First, we will set up the local report. Then we will set the report data source. So to start, we need to add the binding source. Then we just need to set its data source. So the solve everything DB dataset, and the data member will be the table item. And it will automatically add a table adapter. And when we check in its form load, it added a line of code. So next thing we will do is to set the report viewer processing mode. So processing mode local. Then we need to set up the path of the local report. And the name of the report. Before that, we need to make sure that the items printout will be migrated on the executable path. So to do that, we just need to set the properties of the report. So the copy to output directory to copy if newer, or copy always. Next, we need to add the data source. So the items dataset is this one on the report, the RDLC. Then its value will be the solve everything DB dataset that tables. Then next, we just need to call the refresh report. So that's it. So let's just test. But it's just showing the first page. So to fix this, we just need to open the report again. Let's just cut all of the items. Then we will add a list. So let's just fix its location. So 0, and its size. And we'll just paste again the items. And let's just test it again. So as you can see, it is now working. So it shows all the item per page.